Miss Darla here, and today we are going to be making homemade bath bombs. For this experiment, you are going to need baking soda, citric acid, Epsom salt, cornstarch, water, essential oil, coconut oil, food coloring, and a mold of your choice. In a large mixing bowl, mix together 1 cup of baking soda, a half cup of Epsom salt, a half cup of cornstarch, and mix together thoroughly. In a shakeable container, take 3/4 teaspoons of water, 2 teaspoons of essential oil, 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, and a few drops of food coloring, and shake it until well mixed. Add liquid mixture to dry ingredients. Combine with your hands until you have the texture of wet sand. If you don't quite have that texture, add 1/4 teaspoon of water at a time and mix thoroughly until you do. Next, add a half cup of citric acid and again combine with your hands. Next, fill your molds and squeeze tightly to make sure that the bath bomb is very compact. Once you have made sure it is compact, remove the mold and set the bath bomb on a surface to dry. Be sure to remove your molds or else the bath bomb will not cure properly and it will crumble. Let bath bombs sit for 24 hours to cure. Once your bath bombs have cured for 24 hours, it's time to test them out. Here I have a blue lilac scented bath bomb that fizzes perfectly. Can you make your own bath bombs at home?